So, good morning, class. Now, in previous class, we have learned the interest on capital and the fixed capital and fluctuating capital introduction. Okay. So, if we talk about fixed capital, why we use means why we prepare fixed capital and what is fixed capital account. Under the fixed capital account system, let us start with a quick revision of fixed capital and fluctuating capital. Then we'll begin with the new one. Okay. So under this system, in fixed capital method, under this system, the original capital which is invested by the partners that remain constant. Okay, that will not be changed until unless an additional capital will not be introduced or drawing will not be done. Okay, and drawing should be that against capital, not against profit. Okay, so if we talk about the fixed capital, in another word, the capital of the partners are not allowed to change during the lifetime of the business. Okay, except in extraordinary conditions, right? Or if we talk about fluctuating capital, so when the capitals need not to be fixed, the balance of capital accounts, they go on changing time to time. Okay, then we will make the fluctuating capital account. And in fluctuating capital account, only one account we have to prepare, that is capital account. And if we talk about fixed capital method, then in fixed capital method, we have to prepare two accounts, that is fixed capital account and current account. The second one is current account. What we have to prepare in fixed capital account, फिक्स कैपिटल अकाउंट में हमारा दो अकाउंट बनता है, फिक्स कैपिटल अकाउंट बनता है एंड करेंट अकाउंट बनता है. फिक्स कैपिटल अकाउंट में हम क्या क्या दिखाते हैं, वी हैव टू शो whatever the opening capital opening balance will be there, that we will show in the credit side of our partners capital account. And then if any additional capital, कोई और अलग से कैपिटल इंट्रोड्यूस की जा रही है बिजनेस में, तो वो हम दिखाएंगे क्रेडिट साइड. ओके, और अगर पार्टनर्स कोई ड्रॉइंग कर रहे हैं अगेंस्ट कैपिटल, कैपिटल में से ड्रॉइंग कोई कर रहे हैं, कैपिटल में से निकाल रहे हैं फॉर देयर पर्सनल यूज, दैट विल बी रिटन इन द डेबिट साइड and afterward the balance will be taken out and that will be closing balance. Okay, so here we have discussed in our previous class. Now we are going to discuss about current account and what the items will be included in the current account. Okay, so if we talk about current account, so in current account, what we have to record? In current account, we have to record all those transactions which we have recorded in the P&L appropriation. Means whatever the credit balance will be given in your question of regarding current account, that will be entered in current account. जैसे आपके क्वेश्चन में बैलेंस शीट बनी होगी और ओपनिंग कैपिटल मान लीजिए दिया होगा 20,000. ठीक है, opening capital of A 20,000, opening capital of B 20,000. Okay, so that will be considered in capital account. If the capitals are fixed in question, then these opening balances will be considered in fixed capital, means that capital account we will consider it in capital account. But if it is written current account of A and current account of B. So these balances, suppose 10,000 and 10,000, it is given. So these balances will goes to which account? Current account. Okay, that will be credited to current account. Okay. So the format will be same of current account like the partners capital we are preparing. So current account, okay, particular A, B. This is for debit side. Then again particular A and B. That is for credit side. Now first of all we will start with their current balances. Okay, their current balances. So whatever the balance will be given in the case of credit opening balance, so that credit opening balance will be credited to partners current account. यहाँ लिखा जाएगा by balance brought down. और ये balance कौन सा होगा? Credit opening balance. Okay. जो भी पार्टनर्स को सैलरी मिलनी है, जो भी पार्टनर्स को इंटरेस्ट मिलना है, जो भी पार्टनर्स को कमीशन मिलना है, या पार्टनर्स को जो भी प्रॉफिट हुआ हो प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस एप्रोप्रिएशन से, ठीक है, वो सारी चीजें करेंट अकाउंट में क्रेडिट की जाती हैं। आई एम रिपीटिंग माय वर्ड्स, व्हाटएवर वी हैव डन इन प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस एप्रोप्रिएशन, हम अब बांटते हैं ना प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस एप्रोप्रिएशन में, इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल देते हैं, सैलरी देते हैं, पार्टनर्स का कमीशन देते हैं, ठीक है, उसके बाद जो बैलेंस आता है वो पार्टनर्स में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर देते हैं। तो दीज ऑल थिंग्स whatever by whatever the things will be credited to partners, that will be credited to current account। यानी कि यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा, by interest on capital, by salary to partner, by commission, ओके, एंड बाय प्रॉफिट। अगर प्रॉफिट है एप्रोप्रिएशन में तो क्रेडिट करेंगे, लॉस है तो डेबिट करेंगे, ओके। क्लियर। अब इन केस ऑफ डेबिट ओपनिंग बैलेंस, अगर कोई करंट का ओपनिंग बैलेंस डेबिट दे रखा है तो वो कहाँ लिखा जाएगा, वो हमारा यहाँ लिखा जाएगा, ठीक है। तो टू बैलेंस ओपनिंग बैलेंस डेबिट साइड, ओके, दैट विल बी डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड इन डेबिट साइड, ओके। अब जो भी हमारी ड्रॉइंग्स होगी, ड्रॉइंग्स अगेंस्ट प्रॉफिट, इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्रॉइंग, यहाँ पे हमारे फिक्स कैपिटल अकाउंट में कौन सी ड्रॉइंग लिखते थे, जो ड्रॉइंग्स अगेंस्ट कैपिटल होती थी, ठीक है। यहाँ करेंट अकाउंट में हम कौन सी ड्रॉइंग शो करेंगे, जो ड्रॉइंग अगेंस्ट प्रॉफिट होगी, जो प्रॉफिट में से ड्रॉइंग निकाली गई होगी। क्यों, क्योंकि प्रॉफिट में से जो ड्रॉइंग निकाली जाती है उससे हमारी कैपिटल जो है वो रिड्यूस नहीं होती है, ठीक है। तो ड्रॉइंग अगेंस्ट profit, okay, and interest on drawing, that will be shown to debit side of, क्योंकि इसमें हमारे पार्टनर की जो होगी वो जो इंटरेस्ट होगा उससे हमारे पार्टनर, वो हमारे पार्टनर्स के लिए खर्चा है और हमारे फर्म के लिए इनकम है। तो क्योंकि हम ये पार्टनर करेंट अकाउंट बना रहे हैं तो इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्रॉइंग विल बी डेबिटेड बिकॉज इट इज एन एक्सपेंसिव, ओके। ड्रॉइंग अगेंस्ट प्रॉफिट, ड्रॉइंग ऑल्सो it is an expenses, it's an expenses, so it will be also debited। अब हम बात करें कि अगर हमारा लॉस होता है प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस एप्रोप्रिएशन में तो वो कहाँ जाएगा, वो भी डेबिट साइड आएगा, वो भी क्या आएगा, डेबिट साइड आएगा। तो प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस ही लिखा जाता है, टी प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट, okay। Afterward what we will do, we will take out the balance, and then we will get our closing current account, okay, to balance, okay। So in this way we prepare what, we prepare current account of in case of fixed capital। अब हम फ्लक्चुएटिंग कैपिटल की अगर हम बात करें तो फ्लक्चुएटिंग कैपिटल में एक ही डिफरेंस होता है, क्योंकि इसमें कैपिटल टाइम टू टाइम चेंज होती रहती है, इसलिए फ्लक्चुएटिंग कैपिटल में हम एक ही अकाउंट बनाते हैं, दैट इज कैपिटल अकाउंट, ठीक है। और जितने भी ट्रांजेक्शन, जो भी ट्रांजेक्शन हमने फिक्स्ड अकाउंट के में, फिक्स्ड और करेंट अकाउंट में किए हैं, वो सारे ट्रांजेक्शन हमारे एक ही अकाउंट में किए जाते हैं, दैट इज कैपिटल अकाउंट, ठीक है। हम अपना ओपनिंग बैलेंस जो होगा हमारा कैपिटल का, वो यहाँ डेबिट क्रेडिट में दिखाएंगे, ठीक है। जो भी एडिशनल कैपिटल इंट्रोड्यूस की होगी वो भी कैपिटल अकाउंट में ही दिखाएंगे, जो भी पार्टनर्स का इंटरेस्ट होगा, जो भी पार्टनर्स की सैलरी होगी, जो कमीशन होगा, जो प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस एप्रोप्रिएशन होगा, जो भी हमने करंट में लिखा है, वो सारी चीजें किधर जाएंगी, एक अकाउंट में जाएंगी, जो कि कौन सा अकाउंट होगा, पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट, ओके। इन केस ऑफ फ्लक्चुएटिंग कैपिटल अब डेबिट साइड हम क्या क्या लाएंगे, उसमें हमने क्या लिखा था, Then drawing against capital will be there. That will also shown in the debit side of capital account. ड्रॉइंग अगेंस्ट प्रॉफिट भी जो कि हम यहाँ पे शो कर रहे हैं वो भी हमारा कैपिटल अकाउंट में ही शो किया जाएगा. ठीक है. इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्रॉइंग होगा तो वो भी हमारा कैपिटल अकाउंट में ही शो किया जाएगा. इंटरेस्ट ऑन आपका ड्रॉइंग्स अगेंस्ट प्रॉफिट होगा तो वो भी शो किया जाएगा. अगर लॉस होता है एप्रोप्रिएशन का तो वो भी एक ही अकाउंट में जो है वो ट्रांसफर किया जाएगा. सो इन दिस वे वी प्रिपेयर द कैपिटल अकाउंट इन फ्लक्चुएटिंग कैपिटल. ओके. What now? Now we are going to do a practical question regarding this. Here we have discussed every fixed capital account, fixed capital के अंदर current account, capital account, and then we have discussed the fluctuating capital method also. Now, by the practical question, we are going to discuss how practically we will do it. Okay. So everyone is having book. Book है सबके पास?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So take out the question number 5 with fluctuating capital. Okay. Take out the question number 5. In this question, see, here it is written that on 1st April 2018, A and B commenced business with capital of 6 lakh and 2 lakh. Okay. A and B, they commenced business with capital of 6 lakh and 2 lakh respectively. यानी कैपिटल हमारी क्या दी हुई है यहाँ पे, ओपनिंग कैपिटल क्या दी है 6 lakh and 2 lakh. On 31st March 2019, the net profit before taking into any provision of these, कोई भी प्रोविजन नहीं किया गया है. ठीक है. तो ये प्रॉफिट हमारा कहाँ चला जाएगा, पीएनएल एप्रोप्रिएशन में चला जाएगा. अगर इसमें कोई प्रोविजन कर दिया गया होता तो पहले हम उन्हें एडजस्ट करते और तब हम उसको पीएनएल एप्रोप्रिएशन में लिखते. ठीक है. क्योंकि ये सब बिफोर प्रोविजन लिखा हुआ है तो दैट मीन्स दैट विल गोज टू P&L appropriation account. Okay. Now, what 2,40,000? Okay. Interest on capital is to be allowed at 6% per annum. B was entitled to a salary of 60,000 per annum. The drawing of a partner A and B were 60,000 and 40,000 respectively. The interest on drawings for A being 2,000 and B 1,000. Assuming that A and B are equal partners, prepare the profit and loss appropriation and partners capital account. First of all, we have to prepare the profit and loss appropriation account. Okay. So profit and loss appropriation, as we know, we have what we have to do. Whatever the distribution is for partners, that we have to record all the transaction in P&L appropriation account. So first of all, everyone, draw in your copy the format of profit and loss appropriation. Come on, do fast. Okay. As all we know that what the things will come in P&L appropriation, whatever the things will be distributed to the partners, that will come to the P&L appropriation account. So what is the net profit is given here? The net profit is given in our question, that is 2,40,000. That we will write in the credit side of P&L appropriation. So by profit and loss being profit. Okay, and how much it is given? It is given 2,40,000. Okay, now interest on capital we have to calculate. Okay, interest on capital is given for the 6% and the capital is given 6 lakh and 2 lakh. How will calculate 6 lakh into 6 by 100 and what is given 2 lakh. 2 lakh 6 by 100. Come on, calculate and tell me.
Ma'am, A is
First one is
36,000
36,000.
and B
Yes.
is 12,000.
Very good. 36,000. And the second one will be 12,000, right? Very good. Okay. So how we will write it? We will write it interest on capital to interest on capital. A is interest on capital and B is interest on capital. Okay. So now the second point is given in the question that B was entitled to a salary of 60,000 per annum. See, 60,000 per annum we have to write. Okay. So 60,000 per annum to salary. Salary kiska? To whom? Salary to whom? Salary to B. That we have to mention here. Okay. To salary to B. Okay. So salary likhi B ki kitni? 60,000. That 60,000 we have to mention here. And here also we have to do the total. 48,000. Okay. The next point is drawings. Drawings is given. So we have to calculate the interest on drawing. Interest on drawing is already given in the question. The interest on drawing for A being 2,000 and B being 1,000. So that will be written in the credit side by interest on drawing. A and B. A is for 2,000 and B 1,000. Okay, so 3,000 interest on drawing will be there. Now we have to take out the balance. Okay, quickly take out the balance of the P&L appropriation account. Now, not any adjustment is required. So now we have to take out the balance. Come on, quickly do the balance, children. So after taking the total of credit side, what we got? We got 2,43,000. Okay, 2,43,000 and debit side total is 1,08,000. That is less than credit side. So we will take out the balance from credit to debit. So 2,40,000 में से हम कितना डिडक्ट करेंगे? 1,08,000. $2,43,000 से हमने 1,08,000 माइनस किया तो हमने क्या पाया? 1,35,000, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now we have got 1,35,000. So that 1,35,000 will be profit. And this profit will be distributed among A and B. Clear, everyone? In which ratio? In which ratio? Tell me fast.
Debit side.
Which side I know? The profit. What?
But in the profit and loss appropriation account.
In which ratio it will be distributed, I am asking. Aisha Karni? Aisha?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, tell me in which ratio we have to distribute it? Between A and B? Let us see the question properly. In question, it is written that they are equal partners. So whatever the profit they'll get, they will equally distribute it. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
So 1,35,000 will be distributed among A and B equally. So they'll get 67,500, 67,500. So now here we have completed our question. Now everybody has to do it fast. Okay? Thank you. So after completing the profit and loss appropriation, now we have to prepare the partner's capital or current account. See, here is in this question, this is the fluctuating capital method. So in fluctuating capital method, what we need to prepare? We need to prepare the capital account, the combined current and capital of the fixed capital method. Okay. So, and one more thing I want to tell you, if there is no any information about the capitals, that capitals are fixed or capitals are fluctuating, so we will consider that as a fluctuating capital. Remember always, जब भी आपके क्वेश्चन में it is will be not mentioned that the capitals are fixed or fluctuating, then it will be considered as fluctuating capital. हम ये मान के चलेंगे the capitals are fluctuating, and then in that case we have to prepare the capital account only. Okay, so in this question, the capitals are fluctuating because nothing is mentioned in the question. So we will consider it as fluctuating capital. And in fluctuating capital, what we need to prepare? We need to prepare the partner's capital account. Okay. Draw the format first. Okay. Now, if we talk about the fluctuating capital matters, I told you that what we have to write first. We have to write first the balance of capitals. Okay, and the capital balances are written 6 lakh and 2 lakh. Okay, so that will be written by balance brought down. A's capital 6 lakh and B's capital 2 lakh. Okay. Now, the second point, what we have to write? We have to write whatever the things like interest on capital, any additional capital is not there in the question. Is it there? No. No additional capital is there. So what we have to write, whatever the things will be distributed to the profit and loss appropriation to the partners. Okay. So that interest on capital is there, salary is there, and profit is also there. So what we have to write here, interest on capital by interest on capital, that was 36,000 and 12,000. 36,000 and 12,000 by salary, and salary for whom? किस partner की salary थी? The salary for B. So that was the 60,000. 60,000 will be credited in G's account only. Okay. Afterward, the profit and loss appropriation. We have got the profit now. So profit and loss appropriation by P&L appropriation, और bracket में लिखेंगे B profit. Okay. That was 67,500 and 67,500. Okay. Now if we talk about drawings, so drawing is also given in your question. That drawings, so drawings are 60,000 and 40,000. I think yes. The drawings by A is 60,000. So here we will write two drawings. Drawings by A 60,000 and by B is 20,000. Is it 20,000? Yes. 60,000 and 40,000. Sorry. 40,000. Okay. And now what about interest on drawing? Interest on drawing is also given. That is 2,000 and 1,000. So 2 interest on drawing. How much? How much? 6,000 and 2,000 and 1,000. Yes. Now everything we have recorded. Now what we have to do, we have to take out the balance. Okay, first we will do the total of credit side A and B, and then we will do the total of debit side A and B, and then we have to take out the balance, and then what we will get, we will get our closing capital of the partners. Okay, okay, quickly do the balancing. Yes, so after balancing from credit side to debit side, we will get the total of credit side is more than the debit. So 7,03,500 and 3,39,500 is the total of credit side. Now we will take out the balance from debit side. So what we will get? We will get 6,41,500 and 2,98,500. And this will be closing balance, means closing capital of the partner's capital account. Okay. Thank you.